Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to be withdrawing from this Pepsi USDT earning site. So if I should click on withdraw, you see here that I have about $54 available for withdrawal. But before I withdraw, let's go complete my daily task. Okay, so here I am currently using the VIP one and I'm making about $3.50 every day per task I completed. So I have not completed the task for 2 days, so I'm just gonna have to go and complete the task by clicking to complete button here now. Okay, so now I'm just gonna have to click on to complete again now, and it is done. Now let's go withdraw by clicking the withdraw button here. So here I now have about $61 available for withdrawal. Before I withdraw this money, let me show you my wallet. So this is my wallet, and you see here that I currently have 1033 USDT in my account. So let's go and place. Okay, sorry, I have about $1033. Yes, let's go back and click on the confirm button here now. All right, and here we go now. It says withdraw successfully. This is my new balance, and if I click on financial records and click on withdraw account, you're going to see here that the withdrawal has been sent to my account. So let's go to my wallet and refresh it. All right, and this is my new balance, which is $1094. This is the payment over here now, payment of $61 received. Okay, so with this proof, you have confirmed that the site is legit and it is 100% active and paying. So if you are to join the site, you can do that right now and make money off it. So now let's head on back to the site. You're going to get the link to sign up now in these videos on the description box. Okay, so after sign up, you are going to get some kind of bonus. Okay, but take note that bonus, it is not withdrawable, but it is reasonable. So to make money off the site, all you have to do here is to click on VIP. Okay, so when you click on the VIP button here now, you first take a look at their investment packages. Okay, they have the first one, they have the level 1, which you can get with a single deposit of just $15. Okay, so take note, you have been given a sign-up bonus of $50, so it is only going to cost you $15 to get this VIP one, and you're going to make $3.50 in profit every single day for straight 180 days. They have the level 2. You can get this one with a single deposit of $65, and you're going to get a daily profit of $13 every single day for 180 days. They have the level 3. You can get it with a single deposit of $135, and you're going to make and withdraw $28 every single day for 180 days. They have the level 4. You can get this one with a single deposit of $235, and you're going to make $50 every single day for 180 days. They have the level 5, which you can get with a single deposit of $405, and you're going to make $88 every single day for 180 days. So for you to make money off the site, just click on the home button here, come up and click on recharge. So when you click on the recharge button here now, it is going to give you a wallet. Okay, so all you have to do here is to copy out the wallet I just given to you, go straight to your wallet and pay. So when you are done depositing, come back and click on recharge completed over here now, and it is gonna take up to 3 minutes for the deposit to drop in your account. So just come over here and refresh your account, and it is going to reflect in your account in 3 minutes. Now you click on task and start completing the task. When you have completed the task, you can just go back, click withdraw, and they will withdraw the money to your wallet. That is it. Minimum withdrawal here is only $3.50. That is $3.5 or 3.5 USDT. You can make more money by clicking the team button here now, and when you click on the team button, it is going to take you to this place, and you can invite your friends by first copying out your referral link and sharing it to your friends on social media platforms. So let me reduce this. Okay, so they have about 3 level referral programs, giving you 10% for your level 1, 5% for level 2, and the 2% for level 3. So copy your link and start inviting your friends right away. Okay, so That is just it. Remember to invest at your own risk and invest what you can afford to lose, because I am not a financial expert. So give this video a thumbs up and follow me for more videos on how you can make money online with legit cryptocurrency earning, claiming, and the mining sites. Thank you.